And this is how it looks like. Oh, look. It's my melody. And it's a little boat ride. Oh, it's Monty-G. Monty-G's a monkey. And he lives in the jungle.
That I could not understand.
Oh, this is Hochaku. Hochaku is I don't know what he is. I think he's a dog. This is Pom Pom Cream.
What's that?
They're happy. He's a dog, and these are cats. And he likes milk and cupcakes.
He's not running.
He likes milk and pudding. Oh, we're going up. What is this supposed to mean? Why? Why are we going up?
This is so that we die.
No! I can't drop my camera!
Look down.
What's this? Oh, it's Batsu Maru. It's Batsu Maru.
X0?
Yeah. He's trying to lose weight.
What's going on?
Patinko. I don't know.
Guess he was fat.